how's it going? Swatch with me. Royal Talens, Ecoline, 29 plus blender brush pens. And these are watercolor brush pens. I just put WC here in parentheses, but it doesn't say it on here at all. This is what the packaging looks like. Alright. Okay, now I put them in these trays, so I have 3 stacks and 10, basically. And now here are the colors. I'm going to read the colors to you. Magenta, scarlet, carmine, light orange, deep orange, vermilion, lemon yellow, light yellow, chartreuse, deep yellow. Light green, green, forest green, deep green, turquoise blue, sky blue, ultramarine deep, Prussian blue, red violet, blue violet, which is really purple, by the way. Ultramarine violet, which is violet. Reddish brown, yellow ochre, deep ochre, burnt sienna, sepia, warm gray, cold gray, black, and blender. Okay, now I'm going to, like I said, I thought about doing the blender with all of this. It works, it's supposed to work the same as water. And have I even tried it? I do have a, oh no. Oh, guess who's here to visit? Stormy, of course. It's Crafters Monday. Of course. Okay, gave Stormy coconut oil because she's not going to leave me alone. And she'll try and come over, and I don't want her to come over. Alright, get moving. There's no white. There's no white watercolor marker. Let's have, oh, maybe you'd like to see that. I don't know, I mean, that does look like a brush tip, right? It looks like the same type of tip as maybe a little bit smaller than the Copic brush markers or the Art and Fly, which are alcohol ink markers. And I'm going to do one like that. I probably shouldn't have done it. I don't know. I haven't done this in so long. I can't remember how to swatch how to swatch watercolor markers. Ooh. This is Haute Art Studio 9 by 12 inch hot press paper. It does have a little bit of texture to it. And the reason I'm using this one is because I usually get really cool designs when I do the sea salt, watercolor and sea salt, which is what I'm planning to do with these. Okay, that's the magenta. And I put the magenta in where I normally put the pink in my order. Is it really an odd order? No, I don't think it is. My rainbow order. And I put the red violet in place to here where normally magenta would be. Scarlet. I'm just going to do it like that, just a little bit. Stormy says hi. You probably can't hear that, but you know, she just did it. She's finding her voice in her old age. Cats tend to, most cats I should say, they're usually pretty quiet throughout their lives until they get to the old age part, and then they start to talk more. And that's what Stormy's doing. She is a normal cat. I keep trying to tell her, you're a cat. I don't know, she probably doesn't want to hear that. What? What do you mean I'm a cat? Might come as a shock to her or something. Sometimes she gets really loud, but that was just a very mild meow there that she just did. Uh-oh, is she coming back? Don't come back. Sometimes she comes back. Light orange, yes. I'd say that's light orange. These are very juicy. So I am excited to try these. Ooh, excuse me. I'm excited to try these with sea salt and maybe put a plastic bag or saran wrap or cling wrap or something over it. Let it dry and see how it does. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow night. I always say that, oh, I'll do it on Saturday, but then, you know, I'm already in Blackboard setting up my courses, so that's important. Dang it. It's very important. It does leave a mark on here, I noticed. Wait, but I'm not going to brush the... I'm not going to brush the tip of these things, you know? Warm gray. Boy, we're almost done. That's amazing. That's torn on that one. I was hoping. Now this is definitely warm gray, but you know, brushing it out, it looks more like cool gray. Now this one is cold gray. Yeah. Let's see how cold it's gonna be when I take some water to it. Maybe. And the last color, which is black. Oh, really, the last color, and then blender. How do you want to do, like, I could, suppose I could, under doesn't need to be brushed. This is what it looks like. But I suppose I could do, like, each one or something. You can see what that looks like, and then Brush it off. Wipe it on the paper towel. It's like a come on, I know you can. I know it. I know you can. Maybe you can't. There we go. Look at that. I mean, a little bit at the tip there. That's not too bad. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we have. I might have to mark blender use or something. BL or something for blender. What is your favorite color or two? I only say that because, of course, this one and this one. But I also love turquoise, the color turquoise. So, kind of cool. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have an artistic day. Bye.